What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video, guys. Look, today I'm going to get my car washed today. Normally I would go wash my car myself because I love washing my car. Most of y'all would know that. I love washing my own car, but today I come to a little car washing spot that's like right down the street from me where I can get my car washed. And I'm about to spend $29.
Damn!
Yes, $29. And all y'all know I'm cheap as fuck. But yeah, I definitely need my truck washed because it's definitely about that time. My truck is like dirty as hell. Like I've been driving in the damn mountains for years and years. So yeah, I've been waiting for about 10 minutes so far. I'm getting a little impatient. Like I said, it's my first time here. Normally I would wash my truck myself. But yeah, they up there. They'll wash it for you up there. And then they take it in there to get it. They're gonna clean the inside. They're gonna wash the outside. They're gonna clean the windows. Damn, this motherfucker don't know how to drive. But like I was saying, they're gonna clean the inside. They're gonna clean the windows. They're gonna wax the tire shine on the tires and vacuum the inside. Yeah, so I'm just waiting to get $29, bro. $29 goddamn dollars. That hurts my heart. That really hurts my heart to the core. Because I'm a cheap motherfucker, bro. But it needs to get done. I can't drive around a dirty Chevy, man. That ain't my style. That ain't my style. So I'll keep y'all posted, alright? Alright guys, I finally paid for my services and I'm in, well, this is the car washing spot. This is how it looks. $25 might not be that bad. Might have to start coming here more often because this is pretty cool. You know, the inside is pretty cool. The cars look like they pretty clean, so yeah. Yeah, that's the process. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna wait. I think my car's still waiting to be processed. I think. Look out the window. Oh, it's fine. It's coming up soon. Yeah, my car's coming up. Now that one car is at the blowers. Alright guys, I'll keep y'all updated. Alright guys, they finally put my truck inside. So let me see if I can go catch it real quick. There go the Blazer. Yep, about to go play it, bro. looking good so far. You know, my window thing is down. But I'm definitely gonna get that rust spot because that is really killing me.
Perfect.
I think they almost done, guys. I've been here for about a half hour. That's not bad at all. I've been here about a half hour. My truck is at the end, the white truck, all the way at the end. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But yeah, I don't know why I shoot this way, because it'd be so much better to have the camera facing that way. But yeah, this is where I live at, man. I live right down this road down here. You know, we got CVS over there. We got the car wash spot over here. We got a Checkers over there. You know, a whole bunch of other liquor store, a Broody studio, and over there, oh god, that's a whole bunch of stuff. We got Office Depot, we got Aldi's, we got Jiffy Lube, Pizza Hut, Giant, goddamn a Chinese spot, everything you could think of. It's just all in this area. All in this area. Everything you could think about. Anything you need. If you can't find it around here, something ain't right. It's like everything is here, man. Everything. Should be almost done. Yeah, he working on cleaning the tires now. It's about half hour. That's not bad at all. Compared to doing it yourself, and then being sweating and dehydrating yourself. It's really not a hot day out today. Alright guys, I just got home from the car wash. Well, you know I had to go get some Dunkin' Donuts coffee, man. That is a must. Alright, so they cleaned the insides really good. As y'all can see, the inside is really clean. The windows, the back, like they cleaned it really, really, really good. Let me see, how about the tires? You know, they cleaned the tires real. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see, but some of the stuff got up on here. That's from the tire stuff. Yeah, I mean, I would have did a better job myself, but it's not bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a rag and I'm just gonna wipe where that spillage at, because you know where they put the tire shine stuff at. You can see it on the stuff. So overall, it's not a bad wash. I'm just gonna take a rag and re-wipe everything. Till next big time, peace.